Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create tree bark texture effect in Adobe Illustrator. Use rectangle tool shortcut M to draw a horizontal box shape. Box fill color R254, G208, B158. Appearance panel Shift F6 or go to Windows panel and Appearance. Click on Add New Effect and Artistic and Smudge Stick. Stroke length 2 and highlight area 0 and intensity 10. Make duplicate smudge stick effect in appearance panel. Drag and duplicate selected item. Click on Add New Effect and Artistic and Foster Edges. Edge thickness 2 and edge intensity 1, fosterization 2. Again click on Add New Effect and Artistic and Film Grain. Grain 4 and highlight area 0, intensity 10. Finally your tree bark texture background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create texture effect in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.